I'm Andrew.
Welcome to T-Birds Today. Our director is Sadie, our writer is Audrey, and the rest of our crew includes Eve and Leanne, who is not here at the moment.
And Nora.
Our cameraman. So some clubs that we have around school are the Drama Club, Literature Club, Interact,
Fencing, archery, robotics, key club.
we have the Leos, the Speech and Debate, Powerlifting, GSA, Crown of Thorns.
Well, on that note, we also have outdoor adventures, nature preservation, national honor.
National Honor Society?
And mathletes.
Oh, wow.
This week's events include Cornfest and Mojave Drama production of Frankenstein. Cornfest. Cornfest takes place on the 25th and 26th and lasts all day.
Come and see Frankenstein. We've got all of our usual drama members that get really good roles like Zachary Burgess and Coda Benavides.
Come on.
The shows for Frankenstein are all at 7 o'clock on the 24th and 25th. Tickets are $7 for adults and $5 for students, and you can buy tickets at the door or even from drama members, including me and all the other people.
Tonight, the 17th, there's a JV football game at our own Mojave Field.
Woo-hoo!
And starts at 6. Tickets are free with the A Pass, which stands for athletics.
The activity pass?
Oh, yeah, athletic pass.
Activity.
Athletics.
Activity pass.
Athletic.
All right. So now we're gonna have Dylan come tell a joke.
Woo! Let's go, Dylan.
Come on over, Dylan.
Just positive.
Why did Humpty Dumpty like autumn?
Why?
Because it was a great fall.
Aha. Ha.
Because he had a great fall.
That was funny.
So that's all for
He
today.
had a great fall.
And remember, it's always a great day to be a T-Bird.